Grabe.
What happened?
Ganda!
What's going on?
Ay, namatay!
Oh, for Stell's birthday. It's Stell's birthday. On top of the cake, it says Happy Birthday, Stell. And yet Pablo stood up like it was his birthday. I love this kid. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Forever Here. I hope that you are all doing well. Look what I found, and it's English subbed. So I think this is a Duncan Day special from like 2 years ago. It doesn't really say the date on the video, but a big massive thank you to Johnny G for uploading and for subbing. I'm really looking forward to this. I guess it's going to be similar to what I've seen with the other SB19 and Duncan Day, where they're going to sing a few songs and chat to us in the middle. I'm just really looking forward to watching this whole thing, and please, won't you watch it with me? Oh really? Straight in? This is such a transitional era.
Sa tuwing ika'y nakikita, di mapigil ang luha sa aking mata. Paano nga bang limutin ka kung sa pusong ko ika'y nag-iisa?
Who has a voice like that? Seriously. Not purple head, Josh.
Tama bang nadarama para sa'yo, sinta? Bakit nga ba mahal kita kung sa puso mo'y mayroon ng iba?
Wow, they're really going for it.
O buhos ng ulan, huwag nang tumila pa. Paano nga ba bawi? Labis na pagdurusa. Kung wala mang pag-asa, turuan mo naman akong limutin ka.
It's just such a great song, isn't it?
Kahit na ulay tumila na, luha sa aking mata'y patuloy pa. Ano nga bang magagawa kung hanggang ngayon'y mahal pa rin kita?
They're still without ears here.
Unting lunurin ang aking nadarama. O buhos ng ulan, huwag nang tumila pa. Paano nga babawi? Labis na pagdurusa. Kung wala mang pag-asa, turuan mo naman akong limutin.
Nice! Pablo, was that you?
Lahat din ay mawawala, kasabay ng pagtila ng nadarama. Unti-unti.
It feels like this performance is going in slow motion. It's just so focused. Wow. No one touch me. Do not touch me after that performance. It was only going to be like this time that I'm going to get to have this first experience with a brand new Tilaluha performance. So I'm just going to go back and I'm going to listen to somewhere around here again because it was just so spectacular. And I think it's obviously the equipment that they're using here, the space that they're in as well. Their voices are really, really traveling and you can hear them just crystal clear. It's so nice.
Kasabay ng pagtila
And it's not even that long since the song released, really, if you look at it in years. And can you see how much their voices have opened up from that point? Even still, his voice, when he hits this note in a second, he's able to really open up his throat and the vibrato comes a lot more naturally. And it's just crazy. It's really crazy. That was like extra dreamy.
This is our zone!
Break!
We are
SB19!
Hi everyone! Today we are all here to celebrate the 19th
Dunkin' Day!
So last April lang, no, we just had our concert and it was so overwhelming kasi sobrang daming 18 na noon, talagang punuan talaga yung Araneta nun. And now, Dunkin' Day na. Grabe.
Ito nga naman, grabe yung Dunkin' concert natin. Meron pa tayong Pride concert, tapos puno pa rin, di ba? Grabe talaga.
Siyempre, pupuno talaga yun. Kasi kung di nyo tatanungin, yung Dunkin' Con, dapat matagal lang nangyari yun.
Yes,
pero dahil nga sa COVID, dahil sa pandemic na nangyari, na-cancel siya. Pero syempre, hindi pa payag si Dunkin' na hindi siya matuloy. Kaya naman, natuloy ang Dunkin' Presents SB19. Kaya ngayon, nandito tayo sa araw kung saan mag-celebrate tayo ng special day.
Yes. Kaya may tanong ako sa mga nanonood ngayon. Ano kaya yung mga kinakain nila ngayon? Kanina habang naghihintay, tsaka ngayon.
Ano kayang kinakain nila?
Siyempre, for sure, dapat meron silang Dunkin' sa lamesa.
Tama.
Yun. Yes. At habang nanonood kayo at nag-e-enjoy ng inyong Dunkin', ang ating official hashtag is #DunkinPHDay. So ayan, gamitin niyo yan sa pag-post sa ating mga social media accounts.
Yes, at para sa next song natin, ito ang Hanggang sa Huli.
Yay! Oh no, is it blocked? I've had this experience with this account before, where obviously they'll get a copyright strike.
Sa ating puso'y
Maybe not.
nag-iisa, mayroong himig na kumakatok sa pinto ng aking alaala. Di na dapat tumitig pa sa iyong mga mata, ngayon ikaw na lang ang nakikita.
You know, like how you have a book recital? What is like the equivalent of an album recital? Is there such a thing? I feel like people do that. Like they'll release the album and then they'll sing you the whole thing or something. I think SB19 is that artist. They need to start doing that in an environment like this. Like they can have all of the reporters and the media and everything sat on the other side, but I think that they should just sing their entire album live. Like they can flex it. I'm just imagining Pagtatag sang like this from start to end.
Sa panaginip ko ay nanggaan. Kahit pa ang mundo ay mag-iba, laging nandito. Iwan ako para sa'yo, kasi di magbabago. Walang iba, walang iba, wala nang hahanapin pa. Pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo, ito hanggang sa huli.
What are they giggling at?
Nararapat lang, ika'y limutin na. Pag-ibig ko'y isang hangin na di mo madarama. Dapat tumitig pa sa iyong mga mata, pagkat ikaw pa rin ang nakikita.
10. You're such a baby. That voice is not a baby.
Kahit ba ang mundo ay mag-iba, ako'y laging nandito. Di man ako para sa'yo, kung hindi mapapago. Walang iba, walang iba, wala nang hahanapin pa. Pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo, sa'yo hanggang sa huli. Kung pinagtagpo, tayong dalawa'y para sa isa't isa. Kung nasabi mo ang lahat noon ay may
Jeez, the harmonies are coming through so well in this performance.
mahirap na langit makapiling ka. At kung ito na ang huli, nais kong malaman mo na.
Let's go.
Mahal kita, mahal kita.
Such a beautiful moment.
Walang iba, wala nang hahanapin pa. Pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo, sa'yo hanggang sa huli.
That was deadly. Why? Also, so obviously you may or you may not have seen that I have been exploring other OPM greats, and whenever I hear Pablo, I am just so certain, and having explored that little tiny bit, I just think he's going to end up being one of those. Not to say that the other members are not, but Pablo has a voice and a texture that I can imagine him one day being of that caliber, that standard, like in years to come. Not that he is not great right now. Oh my gosh, I have to like cover all bases because people love to misconstrue what is being said, but I just see like his future is going to be like that.
Grabe. Hanggang sa huli. Parang ngayon na lang ulit natin siya na-perform, no?
Oo nga, nakakamiss talaga i-perform yung mga kanta namin na nauna, di ba?
Pero sa totoo lang, di ba ito rin yung nasabi ko na rin dati na sobrang favorite song ko sa atin.
I wonder if he
hanggang
still
sa huli
thinks this
talaga.
now.
Bakit?
Ewan ko, yung feeling kasi niya sobrang nostalgic. Yung kanta mismo, yung tunog, sobrang nostalgic. Ewan ko. Bigyan ko na isang example. Yung box ng tawag dito, ng Munchkin. Yung drawing ng mga nasa factory na babae na may pink hair. Sobrang memorable sa akin nun kasi every time na uuwi yung mama ko, yung tita ko galing labas, once na makita ko yun, alam ko na, strawberry field na Munchkin lang na ito. Parang yun yung naalala ko. Ganun yung feeling pag kinakanta yung hanggang sa huli. Parang ang daming memory na bumabalik.
Ako ang naalala ko sa Dunkin tsaka sa hanggang sa huli, yung trainee days natin. Kasi naalala ko, pag
Lalim,
bumababa ako ng MRT, dun sa binababaan natin may Dunkin. Tapos bago ako pumunta ng training,
yung memory
lagi
ko eh.
ako buhay.
Nag-share tayo ng memory. Oh my God, ka talaga.
Kasi di ba hanggang sa huli, pinapractice sa Tilaluha. Tapos pag during train days, yun nga, pag bumababa ng MRT, lagi akong bumibili doon na iced coffee tsaka ng donut.
Ayaw.
Tapos
ba yun, di ba?
habang naglalakad.
Ako naman sa may Magallanes.
Yun nga.
Yung sa... Doon ka rin ba? Hindi doon. Ibang Magallanes. Ay, sa TAF pala. Sa TAF, sorry. Nagkamali ako. Bago ako sumakay ng jeep, bibili ako ng combo doon na may iced coffee. Tsaka
Isang donut.
isang donut. Favorite ko yun. Solve na ako doon bago mag-training. Kasi bawal ko kumain ng marami, masyadong marami bago mag-training. Siyempre, intense yun. Sit-ups ka, tapos baka masuka ka. Pero
Tsaka sakto lang yung one donut before training. Parang sugar rush. Sugar rush.
Ang naalala ko naman sa Dunkin' memory ko, parang dati lagi sila nagsisale eh. Tapos tuwing magsisale sila, merong specific, parang mga, magkano lang ata yun, hindi ko alam, 12 pesos, parang ganun.
Oh, may ganun ba?
Di na namin naabutan
Hindi na
yan,
namin
Josh.
naabutan yun eh.
Hindi, basta yung mga kaibigan ko laging pipila,
Mga 70s,
bibili sila,
wala na
ganun.
Ay, wait, may ad ako. Favorite ko every Valentine's.
Ano?
Wala lang kasi yung Dunkin' pagka Valentine's Day, meron talaga silang promo for couples. Though wala naman akong ano nun, pero...
I'm not sure what's happened to the subs, but
Sa school kasi namin nung nung high school ako, may malapit na Dunkin store sa labas na pag nag-tricycle ka.
Ibigay mo yung crush mo, gano'n.
Hindi naman. Oh, kadalasan yung mga basketball mga basketball player sa amin, yung mga classroom na pinupuntahan nila, yung syempre yung mga nililigawan nila, binibigyan nila. Yung triangle dati, nas maliliit na basta naalala ko yun nung Pero may gusto ko sabihin, Pao, kasi alam ko. Meron.
May gusto kang sabihin.
May gusto kang sabihin, Pablo. Meron.
May gusto ba akong sabihin?
Oo.
Oo nga pala.
Meron.
Siyempre.
Kung titingin ka doon.
Guys, huwag kayong magulo. Huwag kayong magulo. Nakalimutan ko sabihin, meron palang announcement si Duncan.
Ayun, may announcement si Duncan.
it was not
Siyempre,
fair. I
dahil
missed
nga
the banter.
19th day na ng Duncan. 19th day Duncan.
I'm guessing that the rest of this is just not subbed, right?
DD Day promo.
Ayun.
Anong promo yan? Anong promo yan?
Ano meron?
Yung Delights Bundle, 249 pesos na lang. At may free classic donut for all from 1:30 to 2:30 p.m. on June 18 at any Dunkin' outlet nationwide.
Isang oras lang,
That's so cool that they do these kind of offers.
Grabe.
Naku,
Pipila ka ba dyan? Pipila ka?
Oo naman. Ay, hindi.
Pag
Baka
di ka
naman,
na-
Dunkin, baka pwede naman hindi na pumila.
May special ka ba?
Wait. Hindi pa nag-share si Ken
Ay, yung-
about sa Dunkin memory niya. May
Oo
may
nga.
share ka ba about sa Dunkin memory mo?
Siyempre, nung nag-aaral ako, yung college days,
Nag-aaral.
Oo, nag-aaral ako.
Pumapasok
So,
lang.
di ba, umuwi ako ng probinsya.
Pumunta ka
Nag-aaral
sa
ako.
Pumapasok lang, pumapasok.
Tapos, 8 hours biyahe sa bus. So, pagdating sa terminal, 8 hours biyahe sa bus, sobrang
Everyday yon.
Hindi naman. Hindi naman.
akala ko
Every time na umuwi ako, mga ilang months, ganun. So, ayun, lagi talaga bumibili na Dunkin, tapos kape muna, ganun. Tapos bibili ako 2 box, tapos di na mababa, kakainin ko lang siya habang mabiyahe, tapos tulog. Tapos pagkagising, kakain ulit, ganun.
So sa bus ka na natulog.
Ha?
Ginawa mong lunch, breakfast, tsaka dinner yung ano
Ay,
mo?
hindi naman.
yung
Nag-breakfast
Dunkin'.
ako ng
Ay,
maayos. Tapos pag, lunch na.
Merienda.
Di na ako bababa masyado kasi nakakapagod din. Gusto ko lang matulog. Ang ganun. And, if kayo, meron kayong mga Dunkin' memories.
This is super cute. So
na
they were
gusto
obviously
i-share
asked to
sa social
prepare their
media,
stories beforehand because
lagay
they're just
nyo
like
lang,
talking
hashtag nyo
so.
lang ang hashtag pasalubong
They're really
ng
flowing.
bayan.
Tama.
Oo.
And don't forget to follow na rin ang Dunkin' social media accounts.
Yun.
Yes.
Yan naman. SLMT Dunkin!
Well, at least I got to understand most of it, and at least I get to watch these performances.
Duncan.
Dunkin' Day.
Are you gonna eat donuts while you perform the song?
Nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng sumabay sa paglalakbay.
When I get style, I become mesmerized,
Lagi ko kayong
like someone's performing some sort of magic trick on me.
Sabi nila, di ko raw kaya.
Nice.
Mapapala, wala raw pag-asa. Bukang bibig ng matlay, puro pang kagaya. Pero salamat sa lahat ng naniwala. Naniwala na wala, lahat ng pangamba nagsimula. Magmula nung makasama ka, di ko na kailangan pa ng iba. Halika may sikreto, ako atin natin lang. Sige! Alam mo ba, di makakaya nang wala ka.
Tan, what are you so cute for?
Walang makakatumba sa atin kahit ano pa mang halaga. Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng sumabay sa paglalakbay kung patungo sa aking pangarap. Lagi ko kayong tanaw sa paglipat. Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa mga naniwala sa aking abilidad. Sa paggapak ko ng panayan, tatanawin ko kayo sa aking paglipat. Salamat salamat, thank you very much. Salamat salamat, thank you very much.
Mas labog ka nang umalis lang kasi lagi na kitang namimiss lang. Parang di nagbayad 1, 2, 3 hanggang peace lang. Dapat paramihin mo ng anim yung 3 para limited.
Samahan ang hanggan kahit pasaktulan ng mga karanasan. Walang di kaya
I love that bit in SLMT anyway, but the way that Ken just sang that was amazing.
Lalapin siya pag walang labing walo. Mga kayaman na yan ang dahilan ng matamis na karanasan. Kahit pa umulan ng kamalasan, di ko na namalayan kasi lagi ka na yan. Ako'y nagpapasalamat.
I just love that they never try to hide behind anything. Like they'll just sing however they have been, at whatever point they've been at.
Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa mga naniwala sa aking abilidad. sa paggabang ko na banayad. Tatanawin ko kayo sa aking
It's never been about being perfect for them. They've always just wanted to be themselves.
Thank you very much. Salamat, thank you very much. Palagi mama hopya, di ka
Stand up.
nagsasawa. SLMT nakuha mo ba ikaw yung palagi mama hopya, di ka nagsasawa. SLMT ng sobra, mahal lima, mahal ka ng lima.
Yes, Ken, get down. I think Ken had his coffee before coming to this.
Grab your Dunkin' today!
Bye everyone! Thank you so much!
You 18 follows us on our socials.
Yeah!
Just
Wait,
search for...
wait.
For a while. Hindi lang
Why?
naman Dunkin' Day ang sineselebrate natin ngayon.
Oh.
Hey!
What happened?
Wow!
Thank you. Grabe.
What happened?
Kanta!
What's going on?
Ay, namatay!
Oh, for Stell's birthday. It's Stell's birthday. On top of the cake, it says "Happy Birthday, Stell," and yet Pablo stood up like it was his birthday. I love this kid. Pablo's more excited than Stell.
To you.
Happy birthday.
Oh, Ken.
Happy birthday.
Yes,
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Ang saya-saya.
That couldn't be any worse.
Thank you po. Thank you, Dunkin' family.
Them singing "Happy Birthday" couldn't sound worse.
Ano namang feeling na may pa-cake si Dunkin'?
Sabi mo kanina, katumbas ng cake yun. Ano?
Cute.
Saktong-sakto, kakasabi ko lang yung Dunkin', parang sineselebrate siya pag may birthday or special occasion. And then nga, ginawa ni Dunkin' yung donut cake para sa araw na to. Thank you so much, Dunkin' family. Ilang beses na po ako nakapag-birthday kasama kayo. Maraming salamat po. Sana more power sa Dunkin' and syempre, more projects pa po sa atin together. Yan po. Thank you po. Happy birthday
more
sa akin.
donuts for
Happy
us.
birthday, Stell!
Happy birthday, Stan!
Thank you po.
Happy birthday, Stell, and happy...
That was really sweet. I really like they did that. But do you know what? My mind is not even here. My mind is at the beginning of this SLMT performance, wherever it was. Oh, I think it must have been after this, just because Stell sounded so freaking glorious at the beginning of that. Okay, it was here somewhere, I think.
Thank you!
Yes!
It's kind of like the unplugged version of Tila Luha, Hanggang Sa Huli, and SLMT. That's what it felt like from the sound.
Patungo sa aking pangarap. Lagi ko kayong tanaw sa paglipad. Sabi nila, di ko raw kaya. Lang mapapala, wala raw pag-asa. Bukang bibig ng madlay, puro pang kagaya. Pero salamat sa lahat ng naniwala. Nawala.
And what I really love about Stell is that he doesn't always have to sing those big, like, crazy bits or the high notes or anything. He can catch your attention in any way. Like, that kind of sounded a little lullaby-y, and I really loved that. It was just so beautiful that I had to go back to it. But it's really sweet because, funnily enough, it seems like this was in June, so that's why they're wishing Stell a happy birthday, and it happens to be June now, and we're days away from Stell's birthday. Crazy, I was meant to find this. And yeah, this was really nice. It's a shame the subs dropped off, but it's okay. I've watched many things without subs, and I could, understand the first bit of it. And plus, I have you to help in case they divulged some real deep, dark secrets. Then I look forward to reading all about them in the comments below. Do talk to me about this performance, and I really love it. I think everything that they do with Dunkin' is so bright and positive. I love the way that they're styled for it. Like, I'm not a crazy fan for the makeup here. It's a little bit overdone, but they still look so freaking handsome. And the thing with makeup is, for Stell here, and I would say even for Justin, the eyes are quite overdone, but it makes their eyes look really beautiful. They do have really pretty eyes, so it's quite nice. And yeah, I just thought they looked fantastic. I'm trying to figure out when Pablo had like this short of a mullet / wolf cut, because I'm thinking this is Wyatt era, because obviously, I mean, look at Josh's purple hair, but I'm not really sure. Like, if this was Wyatt era, surely they would have performed Wyatt, wouldn't they? I don't know, maybe, I just don't know, but then Josh's hair is a little bit faded. I'm not sure. I don't know what the purpose was of me saying that to you, but there you are. Do talk to me about this whole video. I can't wait to hear what you have to say. Thank you so much for watching it with me. I hope that you had fun. And until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe. Bye.